Let's explore PHP operators, focusing on assignment operators in this video. Assignment operators are fundamental in PHP programming, and understanding how to use them is crucial for writing effective code. Assignment operators are used to assign values to variables in PHP. Specifically, they take the value on the right side of the operator and store it in the variable on the left side. Consider the variable as a container. This operator puts the value into that container. The most basic assignment operator is the equals sign. It assigns the value on its right to the variable on its left. For example, the code $name equals $John assigns the string John to the variable $name. Similarly, $age equals 25 assigns the integer 25 to the variable $age. Lastly, $price equals 99.99 assigns the floating point number 99.99 to the variable $price. Compound assignment operators combine assignment with arithmetic operations, providing a shorthand way to modify variables. The first card shows plus equals, which does addition. The next card shows minus equals, which performs subtraction. The next is asterisk equals for multiplication. And the final card says slash equals for division. Here are a couple of examples of compound assignment operators in action. First, we have addition and subtraction. We assign 10 to the variable $count. Then $count plus equals 5 is the same as writing $count equals $count plus 5. So the new value of $count is 15. Similarly, $count minus equals 3 is the same as writing $count equals $count minus 3, which gives 12. Next, let's look at multiplication and division. We assign the value 100 to $price. Then $price asterisk equals 1.2 is the same as writing $price equals $price times 1.2. Therefore, the new value of $price is 120. Finally, $price slash equals 2 is the same as $price equals $price divided by 2, giving $price a final value of 60. Let's explore some other assignment operators. The first card shows modulus equals. It assigns the remainder of a division operation. Next, dot equals. This is string concatenation or appending. Finally, asterisk equals, which assigns the result of exponentiation or raising to the power of. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.